Hey guys, super low effort video today about how to clean the section of the violin that is underneath the fingerboard. As you know, over time gunk builds up underneath the fingerboard right here, and it's very difficult to get in there with your polishing cloth to get some pressure to remove all that gunk. So the solution that I've found that has been very effective to get rid of that gunk is to use a zip tie underneath the polishing cloth. So what the zip tie does is that it's fairly flexible up and down, but is very rigid when it comes to pushing down on the side. So what you want to do is place the zip tie underneath the polish cloth, and this will allow you to put in the necessary pressure in order to remove that gunk. And so you want to carefully get the polish cloth in there, and then you want to add some of the varnish cleaner on the cloth right here. So just like that, just a little bit. So you want to gently work that in there, and then you could twist the zip tie at maybe around 45 degrees and then just give it some pressure into the body of the violin. You always want to make sure you have enough to keep it wet. It's also good to have it in a place where the violin doesn't move around, and you can freely put in as much pressure as you need. This method will also work cleaning the section underneath the tailpiece as well. Of course, having a smaller rag for the tailpiece is very helpful. It also can be a little difficult cleaning around the bridge. So what I'm doing right now is taking the tip of the zip tie, placing it inside the rag with some of the varnish on it, keeping the rag wet, and then just slowly cleaning around the bridge area. And there you have it. With the help of the zip tie, I was able to clean underneath the fingerboard, underneath the tailpiece, and around the bridge. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. If you have a friend that needs to clean his violin, share it with them. If you want to see more videos like this, please do not subscribe. Look elsewhere.